What's the meaning of arguably? Arguably. Arguably.
Arguably. Arguably. Arguably is an adverb that is often used to introduce a statement or argument that may be open to debate or interpretation. It implies that there are differing opinions on the matter being discussed and that the statement being made may not be universally accepted as true. Essentially, the word arguably is used to acknowledge that there are different viewpoints on a particular subject and that the speaker's assertion is not necessarily definitive or conclusive.